Now let's go ahead and work with what we have here with the apple stem. As we can see, the apple stem didn't cut so well. You can see it's just a little bit jagged if I zoom in here. It's a bit jagged, and there's not a whole lot I can do about it because this is a very, it just wasn't a very good picture to begin with. It wasn't meant to be zoomed in this fashion. So let's go ahead and zoom out just a little bit. We're just not going to worry about that right now. Not right this second. We'll probably replace this. So Control deselect that, or Command D. And let's move this down just a little bit. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of fake in what we had earlier, which is we're going to come up here and hit our marquee tool. And let's, like so. Let's see if we can rotate the selection. Let's hit Edit. Let's go Select. Let's see. Let's modify our selection. Let's transform our selection. There we go. That's what we're looking for. And we're just going to take our selection here. And let's rotate it around like so. There we go. We'll bring this down just a little bit on this side here. And this is where we're going to put our dark area, because remember we had a dark area and a light area. So I'll tell you what, let's go into our brush tool. We'll hit B for our brush tool. Or let's hit Enter first to accept that. Now let's go into B for our brush tool. Let's not choose black. Let's hold down Option to get our color picker marquee, and let's choose one of the colors that are naturally appearing here. That looks pretty good. We'll start with that color. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our brush down just a little bit, and our opacity is at 25, so we're just going to kind of come in here and paint. And why is our brush acting this way? It's acting very, it's because it's on the wrong layer. There we go. Let's back out of that real quick. There we go. So, click on Miss Portman. There we go. Now as you can see, she's going to paint in just a little bit easier than what the other one did. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and then we're going to hit D, get a little black in there. Let's take our brush down a little bit. There we go. Now this is looking a bit much, so we're going to stop here and we'll fix this up in the next